Xiaomi, a name that's become a byword for cutting-edge technology in smartphones, is making a massive splash in the car industry with their latest creation, the Xiaomi SU7. This isn't just any car, it's like a vision of tomorrow, but it's here today. The SU7, a dazzling full-size sedan loaded with eco-friendly tech, is all set to shake up the entire EV industry. Combining Xiaomi's legendary tech prowess with eco-efficient performance, the SU7 is a brilliant showcase of what modern engineering can do. With its eye-catching design, innovative features, and powerful performance, it's stepping up as a formidable rival to heavyweights like Tesla and Porsche. And if you still need proof of what this Chinese EV masterpiece can do, then let's see how it's setting new standards in innovation and performance in the EV arena. Now, peeking under the hood of the Xiaomi SU7, you'll find a masterpiece of power and high-tech innovation, Xiaomi's very own state-of-the-art e-motors, the dynamic hyper-engine V6 and V6S, and the extraordinary hyper-engine V8S take center stage. The star of the show, the hyper-engine V8S is nothing short of phenomenal. With its jaw-dropping max speed of 27,200 RPM, a powerful 425 kilowatt output, and a whopping peak torque of 635 Newton meters. In addition, the hyper engine's advanced features, like the bidirectional full oil cooling and innovative S-shaped oil circuit, ensure these motors aren't just about raw power, they're also about silky smooth, efficient performance. And about the SU7's chassis. Built with a formidable clamping force of 9,100 tons from Xiaomi's die-casting machines, it outdoes Tesla in sheer robustness. The SU7 comes in two flavors, the rear-wheel drive standard SU7 and the all-wheel drive SU7 Max. The SU7 Max especially is a beast, boasting a 497-mile range and a blistering 0 to 100 kilometers an hour time of just 2.78 seconds. It's not just keeping up with the industry leaders like Tesla's Model S and Porsche's Taycan Turbo, it's setting a new pace. And talking about setting a new pace, the Xiaomi SU7 shines a spotlight on its groundbreaking battery technology. Xiaomi is revolutionizing the EV world with its own CTB integrated battery technology. This state-of-the-art system, boasting inverted cell technology, a versatile elastic interlayer, and a sleek wiring design, smashes global records with an integration efficiency of 77.8%, the highest ever for CTB batteries. I mean, this battery isn't just breaking records, it's shattering expectations with a whopping 24.4% boost in performance, a slimmed-down profile at 17 millimeters less in height, and a massive 150 kilowatt-hour capacity. When you're talking about EVs, the balance between safety and performance for long journeys is very important, and Xiaomi doesn't just meet these challenges, it exceeds them. The SU7's battery comes with a specially designed downward-facing pressure relief valve, ready to release energy swiftly in emergencies, prioritizing passenger safety. In addition, the battery is fortified with a robust 14-layer protection system, offering all-around defense from top to bottom and side to side. Xiaomi's commitment to innovation shines in the battery's thermal management too. The dual-side water cooling solution, with heat dissipation plates on either side of the cells, provides an astonishing cooling area of 7.8 square meters. That's 4 times the industry average. Now, controlling those batteries, the SU7 features a top-tier battery management system, or BMS, with the prestigious ASIL-D certification, the pinnacle of functional safety in the industry. This system is equipped with triple thermal runway monitors and alarms, plus a continuous early warning system. And just to ensure absolute reliability, every single battery is put through over 1,050 safety checks and endurance tests that far surpass global standards. Now, one of the real key highlights of the Xiaomi SU7 is its advanced autonomous driving features. Xiaomi's Pilot autonomous driving system represents a huge leap forward in intelligent software technology, a field where Xiaomi already leads the pack. This system is built on 3 revolutionary pillars: adaptive BEV technology, the road mapping foundational model, and super res occupancy network technology. Each of these technologies is a game changer in the realm of self-driving cars, and the most exclusive of all of them is the adaptive BEV technology, renowned for its scenario adaptive perception algorithms. Think about it this way. The car actually has a perception grid that can detect objects with incredible detail from as close as 5 centimeters up to 250 meters away. This ensures unparalleled visibility in cityscapes, extended vision on highways, and unmatched precision in parking situations. Next, its road mapping foundational model is transforming how cars perceive and interact with roads. It can intelligently adjust the driving path for seamless navigation, especially in complex intersections. This model is a fast learner. It picks up cues from intricate intersection layouts and the habits of seasoned drivers. Also, when it comes to identifying obstacles, the Super Res Occupancy Network technology is a breakthrough in its own right. Forget about perceiving obstacles as mere blocks in the road. Xiaomi's technology sees them as continuous curved surfaces, boosting recognition accuracy to a stunning 0.1 meters. Plus, Xiaomi's innovative one-click noise reduction significantly cuts down misidentifications that could be caused by adverse weather like rain or snow. Xiaomi's crowning achievement in autonomous parking is the world's first end-to-end sensing and decision-making AI model that's ready for production. This system can dynamically adjust in real time to tackle tricky parking situations, including navigating parking elevators. Hardware-wise, the Xiaomi SU7 Max is decked out with dual NVIDIA Orin chips, delivering a whopping 508 trillion operations per second of computing power. The vehicle's perception hardware is equally impressive. 1 LiDAR, 11 HD cameras, 3mm wave radars, and 12 ultrasonic radars. These cutting-edge components, combined with Xiaomi's extensive in-house research, put the SU7's autonomous driving system on track to rival the industry's best in 2024. The SU7's smart cabin is like a tech haven on wheels. Its interior is unlike any other car out there. It's a fusion of human-centered design and the latest technology, transforming the cabin into an advanced command center and redefining what it means to be inside a car. The cabin is adorned with a stunning 16.1-inch 3K central console, an expansive 56-inch heads-up display, and a unique 7.1-inch rotating dashboard. For those who love their gadgets, there are also 2 seatback extension mounts perfect for tablet devices, keeping everyone connected and entertained on the go. At the core of this tech performance is a Snapdragon 8295 in-car chip, boasting a staggering AI computing power of 30 trillion operations per second. This powerhouse chip ensures a seamless interactive experience, effortlessly connecting 5 different screens throughout the cabin. The user interface is as intuitive as a tablet, ensuring users are able to dive right in without any hassle. And talk about quick! The vehicle's OS comes to life in just 1.49 seconds after you unlock the door. The in-car OS brings the Xiaomi tablet ecosystem right into your car, compatible with over 5,000 applications. This integration extends to your smartphone too, letting you easily transfer apps to the car console, effectively turning them into in-car applications. The SU7 supports an extensive range of over 1,000 Xiaomi smart home devices. This means automatic discovery, password-free access, and customizable automation scenarios, creating a powerful automotive Internet of Things or IoT ecosystem right inside your vehicle. It's a level of interconnectivity and control that's simply next level. Li Jun, the driving force behind Xiaomi, has a vision to create a dream car that embodies the best in technology, experience, and aesthetics. The SU7 is the embodiment of that dream. It's a vehicle that delivers high performance, eco-technology, and a mobile smart space that's unparalleled. The SU7 Max, with its self-developed e-motor, CTB integrated battery technology, and a body structure crafted from the Xiaomi die-casting T9100 cluster, accelerates from 0 to 100 in an astonishing 2.78 seconds. It competes with the fastest supercars out there, reaching a top speed of 265 kilometers an hour. As we eagerly await the Xiaomi SU7, one of the hottest topics is, of course, its price tag. While we're still on the edge of our seats for the official announcement, the market whispers are hinting at a range from 99,000 Chinese yuan to 199,000 Chinese yuan. That's roughly about 14,000 to 28,000 US dollars. Now, if these rumors hold true, we're looking at a game-changing move by Xiaomi. This pricing range could make the SU7 not just an attractive option, but a highly attainable one in the EV market, especially when other EV industry giants are opting for higher prices. So, with such a competitive price, it's poised to become a popular choice for a wide range of consumers. Xiaomi seems to be striking a perfect balance, offering high-end tech and performance without the hefty price tag usually associated with such innovations. That's all for today's video, guys. What do you think about this electric sedan? Tell us your views in the comments section, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video.